Guys, in this video, I will show you a simple way to fix the Instagram Notes feature not showing and how to get the note on Instagram message pages. So here is the two main steps. Step 1, update your Instagram to the latest version. Step 2, turn on activity status. Step 3, if the note feature still missing on your Instagram, switch to a professional mode account. Hope these steps fix your Instagram Notes feature. Thank you. Like and subscribe the video.